Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas. We're here today with the Black Stallion GB100 backpack. So in this video we're going to go over the GB100 and all its features, what this thing can hold, what it can do. So let's just jump right into it here. So as you notice, this has been a very popular backpack. I know a lot of students that have these. They are very comfortable. They hold a lot of stuff. So one of the biggest things why some of the welding students I know that have them is because they hold their welding hood on the front. So I got my Crystal 2.0 on the front there, but it holds it in place nice, and then you can latch it right there. It's got two draw cords on either side. We can tighten it up. So if your helmet's wide or narrow, it'll tighten all that up and keep it safe, keeps it close. And then we can also take that off, right? We just pop it right there, and then we can take that little helmet holder off there if you don't need that. But been very popular in the welding field for actually all people in the field welding and students welding. Got some nice grips on the bottom. It's got a hard pack in the bottom. I'll show you that here in a minute. We got our carabiner on the side for keys or anything you want to hang on there. We got our side tote there with a draw cord so we could put gloves, water bottles, that sort of thing on the outside. Same thing over here. Got that. Got our headphone jack so we could put any kind of mobile device inside, run our earphones through there, and while it's on our back, listen to them. We got our identity sheath there so you can put your name, number, and all that, so if it gets lost, people will know. We got nice foam pads for the upper middle back there, and on your lower back, another nice foam pad for the lower back. Actually, very comfortable with all the adjustments on the straps here. Chest strap, all adjustable. One of the first things you notice is a very durable handle. It's actually very nice. Doesn't flex at all. So it's very nice as opposed to other backpacks or competitive backpacks. That's a pretty nice feature. Very nice zippers. They go all the way around. Super nice. Open it up here. We got a hard backer on the top, so not bending at all. You can see I'm flexing that pretty good. Won't bend. We got a concealed bag on the inside, so you put valuables in there and it's not going to get clang banged up. So on the inside of this thing, we can put chipping hammers, wire brushes, stick electrodes, all our gloves, our jacket, everything inside of there. And if you notice on the inside here, there's two zippers here, but these are for the hard backers. So this is what's keeping this thing real sturdy on the inside. Same thing on the inside of there too. We got all these nice compartments down here. All these nice things to hang things, like I said, chipping hammers, wire brushes, your welpers, soapstone, all that stuff will fit right down in here. And then in the very bottom it's a hard pack in the bottom, so it keeps it sturdy on the bottom. So when you're throwing the heavy items in there, it doesn't fall out the bottom of that. Also, inside comes a lunchbox. Pretty sweet. So it's just not a real sturdy lunchbox, but it's an insulated cooler, so you can put your lunch and that sort of thing in there. Like I said, I've seen this in a lot of job sites where people are bringing their helmet to and from work, so they pack their lunch, throw it in the bag, and then it's in the bottom there, and then they got all their welding gear inside of there. So, like I said, very popular backpack, very comfortable backpack, and for the price point, I don't think you can beat it, because I've done some looking at backpacks lately, and the prices on them are outrageous for a nice one. And this one here, relatively inexpensive and actually very, very nice. So check it out. We'll link this stuff all down below. I got some items here too. I mean, this thing holds quite a bit of stuff. So let's just try it here. We got our lunchbox in there. Let's throw all our gloves down in there. We got our jacket, our leather jacket here. Leather hybrid jacket. Throw that down in there. So I mean, this thing, we can pack her full of stuff, and it'll still hold. We got our FR sweatshirt here. It'll fit it down in there. So we're to the brim top, but you know what? You can fit one more shirt in there. Put one in there. Close her up. Look at that. 3 pairs of gloves and a leather jacket, sweatshirt, and an FR jacket. And then we can put our helmet back inside. You know what I like about that helmet holder is that it's padded too. So if you're getting clang banged around or you're riding on public transportation, you don't have to really worry about it getting hurt too bad, getting hit. There we go. So we got her loaded down. Man, awesome backpack. If you got any questions or comments, please leave them down below. We'll do our best to answer them. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for some more.